What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-109573-5. An error occurred when starting the game on your PlayStation console. So here is the application or a game error is not working, sometimes corrupted file or something, a different thing it's happened. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. And then you must check your application is up to date or not. Here is the updated, and if not updated you must go update it, and then secondly go to the settings and go to the storage. You must check your storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage to install the application or launch the application. You need space for launching the application. And secondly, you must check the system software update. Sometimes using an older version and it's not going to support the new application or a game, so you must update it. And third one, you just go to the turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. Simply rebuild the database or clear cache. After rebuilding the database, corrupted file will be deleted, and you will get the better speed, and you will get the space in your storage also. And that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.